Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Smart Future. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Today we are going to talk about Charmin Ultra Soft Cushiony Touch Toilet Paper. 30 family mega rolls. 288 sheets per roll equals 8,640 total. Charmin Ultra Soft Cushiony Touch Toilet Paper. 30 family mega rolls is designed to offer both comfort and durability. Renowned for its cushiony softness, it provides a luxurious feel that enhances comfort during use and is gentle on the skin. Each pack contains 30 family mega rolls, larger than standard rolls, reducing the need for frequent changes and making it convenient for busy households. With 288 sheets per roll, totaling 8,640 sheets per pack, it ensures long-lasting use. The toilet paper is clog-safe and septic-safe, endorsed by Roto-Rooter plumbers, and features a 2-ply construction for optimal strength and softness. Committed to sustainable practices, Charmin sources its pulp from responsibly managed forests and uses recyclable packaging. The unique cushiony touch, achieved through special embossing, adds extra softness and thickness, enhancing overall comfort. Dermatologically tested for sensitive skin, Charmin Ultra Soft continues the brand's tradition of quality and reliability, providing a superior bathroom experience. About this item: pack contains 30 family Mega Plus rolls, 288 sheets per roll, of Charmin Ultra Soft Cushiony Touch Toilet Paper. Trusted softness, better tier versus the leading USA 1-ply bargain brand. 2x more absorbent so you can use less versus the leading USA 1-ply bargain brand. Irresistible softness you can feel. Cushiony soft without compromising strength. 1 family mega roll equals 5 regular rolls based on number of sheets in Charmin regular roll bath tissue. Holds up so your hands and behind keep clean while you go. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.